I think that the event was well prepared, the attendants were with the right experience to make the right question, to optimize the discussion in a way that we can deliver really what the customer needs, more for as they intend to bring a new medicine on the market. So for this reason, we understood the needs of the customer, and now we can work together to partner and to find a good way to bring new drugs on the market.
I think the trip here was fantastic, very well organized, firstly. Second, the facilities are immaculate and very well planned. And the most important thing that I found was the people who work in it have a high degree of passion and drive for it, which gives me confidence that they will do for each project the best they can possibly do.
It's wonderful. Like, I've seen the best facility, the instruments that they have, the investment that they have is wonderful. They have the world-class compliance level that I've witnessed here in Europe, and it's really wonderful to see the facility.
So far, it's been really great, very engaging, very inspiring. It's been great to see what Alfasigma is doing, the Morpho business unit getting into CDMO space. Also meeting with people from around Europe, from different companies, small pharma, small biotech, large pharma, and integrating multitude of opinions and perspectives into today's agenda and having conversations about what could be the future of a potential CDMO arm for Alfasigma.
I think today was a very good day. I think going through the lab and finding out what the capabilities the company has was really, really interesting. And the discussion after was really, really a good discussion. The platform and the number of people here allows to make a lot of connections, having networking, but also get an insight on what the company is providing. And throughout the discussion, I think we have been able to provide also input on what we think could be the next step for improvement. And I hope they find the experience useful and the feedback that they got from us very useful. Very pleasant day.
Yeah, I think the experience was really nice to have this specific CDMO in spotlight, getting to understand their core capabilities and also the focus that they have for the CDMO part of the business. So I think it was nice to have an open discussion with the technical team over here and understand what they're working on.
The idea of bringing multiple people together from big pharma and biotech with different experiences to interact with the Morpho team was a very good experience. There is great synergy of knowledge both from the participants and the company, and their willingness to share their experiences was, I think, very good for most or all people who attend.
Yeah, that's the really interesting part, because this is how you get the competency over the market, because the people that they're here, the company, the tech transfer that they have been doing is basically wonderful. It's from the the core of the industry people that they have, and they can surely add value to the customers.
I think we had a good mixture of seniority. We have CEOs and contract external manufacturing specialists and managers. I think also in terms of companies, we have a very good blend of, let's say, big corporations as well as early stage biotech, which is exactly what we'd like to have for a balanced portfolio of projects.
So I think there was a good mix of people coming both from early stage startups, biotech firms, and also mid-size and big pharma companies. So I think the mix of people and also the competencies across the board were quite relevant for the event.
Yeah, what you managed to do was cover the full spectrum of company size, from big pharma to little companies looking for seed money, and expertise from naive about some things to very experienced about getting drugs to patients as part of the driving enthusiasm that pharma should be about.
Good question, because clearly different sizes of pharma companies needs different things from the CDMO, and we understand that there are two different ways to manage the CDMO. So for this reason, we can adapt ourselves in a way that we can accomplish the deliverable that these pharma companies really wants to deliver new products on the market.
Perfect.
I think it was very matching, very good, well thought out, because you could connect with people from, as said, from the scientific arm, from companies that are small biotech, and large pharma, to really have a diverse perspective that could be talked about and debated in order to bring out best ideas and ways to collaborate better in the future.
Yeah, the session was very good. I think the discussion on CMC was excellent, and there was a very good participants from both the people in the audience as well as the people on the stage.
Of course, like, I think this is the best way to demonstrate the competencies that the company could have, and this is how the people can, get more information about the capabilities and the capacity that they have, and this is how they can take it forward.
Absolutely. I think it's very valuable because you're seeing what companies can do in the market, how they may be standing out versus other competitors they may or may not competing with in the market, what differentiates them, but also networking with people from the industry. That always is a great thing.
So, yeah, I thought it was a very good way of bringing people from big pharma as well as from small biotechs together to help make this an excellent event.
Yeah, I think it's a new concept. It's, at least in my experience, I think doing these kind of facility tours are always a nice refresher, and putting some CDMOs in spotlight that sometimes you don't just come across.
I think that seeing the facilities at Alfasigma was very useful to understand how we could be beneficiaries of the modern equipment they have, their experience in using it to fit niches in our development.
I'm pretty sure that we definitely would like to do it, and not only in our Pomezia side, but possibly expand it to the other sites.